Fugitive is an attempt to create an interactive artwork which speaks the language of the body. A single user moves about the darkened space. As they move, a video image responds by changes in content and position. The mode of interaction is entirely bodily. There is no pointer, no required garment or headgear, no icons, menus, or textual content. Responses of the system are not based on the position of the user, but on their mood, as indicated by the dynamics of their ongoing behavior. Fugitive comprises a low-intensity video image in an otherwise totally dark room. Because of this, it is almost impossible to document actual interaction, so this interaction footage is rather unclear. The circular space is 10 meters in diameter. It is totally empty. Suspended in the center is a video camera with semicircular mirror and a motion-controlled video projector. Infrared lights supply illumination for the camera. The user is tracked and their behavior is interpreted based on images from this camera. At ZKM, the screen was enclosed in a black tent, with a control room nearby. The control room contains 2 computers and other equipment. A video feed from the machine vision system was presented to waiting participants outside the tent. The camera collects a highly distorted infrared image of the space. This image is unwrapped by the vision system, which then locates the user in every frame. From their ongoing behavior, the mood analysis engine calculates values for various complex parameters. Persuasive interaction is dependent on real-time response. Fugitive updates the values for these parameters 15 times each second. These values are matched with the digital video database by the video selector engine, which then passes video imagery to the projector. The result is persuasive real-time response. The user controls the frame rate of the video by their velocity. The travel of the image around the wall is always determined by the movement of the user. A full experience of Fugitive takes 12 to 15 minutes. At the beginning, the range of system behaviors is constrained and system response is straightforward. Over time, the response of the system to the user becomes more complex and more subtle. In this way, Fugitive is a self-teaching interface, which maintains the interests of the user by continually unfolding complexity. Fugitive contains 7 sets of video imagery, each one a specific location at a specific time of day. Response of the system to the user's behavior is more or less consistent across all sets. The user makes transitions between the sets based on instantaneous or cumulative behavior. Upon entering Fugitive and upon transition between sets, the user returns to a special vestibule set, the garden. Transition out of the garden is always from the center, when the user is invited to exit through a sequence of archways which rotate about her. The video you are now watching is actual video footage drawn on by the video selector engine, complete with elliptical frame. These clips are never seen by the user in this real-time manner, as the user's velocity controls the frame rate, and they can move backwards and forwards in a clip in the manner of a jog shuttle control. The shots are almost always interrupted and replaced due to user movement.